Hi folks, welcome to EPG Pathshala. I am Dr. Bhagwan Singh from Central University of Himachal Pradesh, Head of Department of Marketing and Supply Chain Management from School of Business and Management Studies. Today we are going to talk upon changing marketing practices, digitalization and customization from the paper Marketing Management. Now, in this paper, you will learn how to understand and define digitalization, to define customization, understand the various changing marketing practices related to digitalization and customization, understanding e-marketing and its concepts, and yes, the summary of the module and the review questions for you to understand more better. Today, the marketing is not just selling or promoting goods or services in a real market, but a whole world of virtual market is also being created. That is internet world. Digital marketing is personified by an extensive selection of brand marketing tactics. The marketplace is physical as when one goes shopping in a store, and market space is digital as when one goes shopping on the internet. So the digital market space is also bringing pressure from consumers for lower prices and is threatening intermediaries such as travel agents, stockbrokers, insurance agents and traditional retailers. So to succeed in digital market space, that is virtual world, marketers will need to recognize and redefine themselves and prepare for the digitalization and customization of the values and products or services to give sale in virtual world. Explain about digitalization. Now what is digitalization? Digitalization is to make available anything regarding products or services available through integration of digital technologies using internet to the customers. Now this has evolved, or the evaluation of digitalization in marketing has been used first in mid 1980s, then first again it was used in digital marketing in 1990, and it became more advanced in 2000 to 2010. Evaluation of digitalization in marketing started by Soft Ad Group. Soft Ad Group used in mid 1980. Then this concept of digital marketing was set to be used in 1990s. It was during a very dormant phase and was again active in 2000. From 2000 to 2010, digitalization in marketing became more prominent. The swift evaluation of digital media has twisted new prospects and avenues for advertising and marketing. Now, what the activities involved in digital marketing is SEO, that is search engine optimization, SEM, that is search engine marketing, then CM, that is campaign marketing, then CA, content automation, then content marketing, display advertising, e-books, e-commerce marketing, email direct marketing, influencer marketing, optical discs and games marketing, social media marketing, and social media optimization. So these all involves digitalization. Customization. What is customization? when any company deals its customer on preference basis or provide individually differentiated products or services on acceptable and affordable prices. Mind it, product or services on acceptable and affordable prices and delivery channels for each customer, then this is termed to be customization. So by going online, companies enables consumers to become presumes self-producing consumers who can essentially design their own goods. Companies have also acquired the capacity to interact individually with each customer by personalizing messages, products and services. Means on any website, when the customization is in a role play, then any company dealing with the customer on preference based or provides individually differentiated products or services. Individually differentiated products or services means the consumer can select their own preference to bifurcate the product or services on their own choice and demands. So the definition of customization goes as the combination of operational customization and marketing customization has been called as customerization. That is, customerization means operational customization and marketing customization clubbed together is called customerization. So by going online, it enables consumer to become the self-exploratory to design the personal message and products and services. Means each customer has a acquired capacity to interact individually by the company by giving the personalized message regarding products or services. So this, as explained, is e-customization. Now what is e-customization? Market when went to online, the customer's understanding was more customized than ever. Means I want to book my air ticket to fly to UAE. So what is the my domestic airline is better or the UAE domestic airline is better? When I compare the both, I am working on the customization of the flying industry or aviation industry. Here, to more be precise, market when went online, the customer understanding has been more customized than ever. Like Shadi.com websites want all the biodata related to your caste, creed, religion, height, etc. Whereas the MakeMyTrip.com only requires your mobile number and your email ID. They are least bothered about your personal bio data. So this is the example of the e-customization. To understand more, the consumers or customers was fundamentally required as to boost marketing through digitalization. This developed the concept for e-customization. Understanding internet customers is even more important as the geographic, demographic and cultural spread is often more spacious. Internet customers also have various attitude, characteristics and perception to both attaining information and buying online. Now, e-marketers have to keep a nice vigil on their interest-based customer or internet-based customer. The customer who are interested in a particular focal point are to be marketed by e-marketers. Like as discussed, MakeMyTrip.com is less about the personal biodata, whereas Shadi.com is more precise about your personal biodata. So this explains e-customization. Now, to understand the various changing marketing practices in digital world, although digital marketing is similar to traditional marketing, but it is helpful to understand the fundamental characteristics that discriminate this scenario from the traditional marketing environment. To be more specific, digitalization is the ability to characterize a product or at least some of its benefits as digital bits of information. Digitalization allows marketers to use the internet to share out, to promote, and sell those features apart from physical item itself. In addition to providing distribution effect, you can say that digitizing part of a product's feature allows new combinations of features and services to be created quickly and inexpensively. For example, if any product is there, you want to know what the quality it contains, how it affects, and what are the attributes involved in it. For that, digitizing part of that product feature is a new combination. So the growth of internet presents existing opportunities for marketing products to both consumer and organizations. So computers and computer peripherals, industrial suppliers, and packaged softwares are the leading business purchases online. Through e-marketing, companies can provide products including goods and services and of course ideas that offer unique benefits and improves customer satisfaction. Say for example, if you want to purchase certain product, suppose mobile phones. Now you want to compare these mobile phones. In physical market, the person with the same Samsung company will only tell about the Samsung benefits or Samsung mobile, but he will never tell what are the components involved in it, which processor it belongs, or something like that. And if you ask that particular person about, say, Micromax or Panasonic or Apple, he will say, sir, sorry, we have only limited ideas or goods or services related to Samsung. Here the e-marketing emerges, or the website emerges, or the digitalization and customization emerges. Through websites, the person could compare Sony, Samsung, Apple, everything on single platform. So the online marketing of goods such as computer hardware and softwares, books, DVDs, CDs, toys, automobiles, and even groceries are accelerating rapidly. E-marketing, online value proposition, and 6 C's of customer motivation to help to define OVP. It is e-marketing. E-marketing is where one company can satisfy customer needs by anticipating, identifying, and customizing in proper manner. The process to market through internet is e-marketing. It is more personalized than to be general. Means if we are going or surfing on internet, the more comparison made, like say policybazaar.com, it compares the various insurance scheme and it is personalized for comparing the insurance scheme. So this way, e-marketing is where one company can satisfy the consumer's needs by anticipating, identifying, and customizing in proper manner. It is more personalized than to be general. Then what is online value proposition? That is overall said as OVP. The value proposition, which is termed to be online value proposition, is actually which has certain advantage. So basically 6 C's as explained by Shefe. So this 6 C of customer motivation helps to define OVP. That is, so number 1 C is choice, number 2 is community, number 3 is content, number 4 is convenience, number 5 is cost reduction, and then comes customization. Now Few OVPs that appear to match the strap lines are AutoTrader, Bossy and Havax, EasyZ, Flickr, Kelku, MUTV, WorldTracker.com, YouTube, Amazon, Flipkart, Make My Trip, all. These are generally matching the strap lines. For example, AutoTrader, the biggest and best car site on the planet. Now today it has more than cartrade.com, Droom, they have emerged. YouTube to broadcast yourself or to broadcast the films, the entertainment. So this way various websites are present which project OVP, that is online value propositions. It explained digital marketing strategy. Now, what is digital marketing strategy? The marketing strategy is to penetrate the products or services in the consumer's mind through various media vehicles. Basically, there are four types of media vehicles. First, print media, second, audio media, third, audiovisual media, and last, clubbed all three medias together called as multimedia. So, the marketing strategy is to penetrate the products or services in the consumer's mind through various media vehicles. It is after sale concept to motivate the customer to reuse the company product or services through fitting the positive image of the company in customers' mind. For that, internet-based marketing strategy has to be followed for digitalization and customization. The digital marketing strategy generates leads based on principle of traditional marketing using the opportunities and challenges offered by technology and the digital medium. Say for example, when a person goes on a website and has a good experience, then again he will visit the same website and will popular in word of mouth and say to its friends, relative and other things to use that particular website for that particular product or services. Say for example, when you book the tickets through makemytrip.com, if you get the best service, best email alerts, best SMS alerts, then you will not go to the domain site of Air India or Kingfisher or Jet Airways or any other airlines directly to book on that. Instead, you go on makemytrip.com to book the air tickets. So this is how the digital marketing strategy penetrates in the consumer minds. So few points to consider before stepping into digital world of marketing are: number one, technological strategy or technology strategy. Now here digital marketing strategy is divided in two parts. Number one, technology strategy, and number two, user strategy. So in technology strategy, what is discussed are few questions, like which questions which has to be considered, like number one, are there existing tools that you can build on top of to save time and money? Second, do you have root level access to install software? Next, do you need any additional tools for production management and testing? How will you any of the answers to these questions affect the user engagement? If so, how will you manage that process? What tools will you use? What administrative tools does your host offer to help manage your domain? What are the hardware, software specs for that server? What are the technology requirements for the chosen CMS? What language is the CMS written in? Does your server support it? What server platform will be the site to be hosted on? Which CMS, that is content management system, will you use or you will build? Will you have a staging server and a production server? Will you pull share data from other sources using an API. So what will you do? This has to be answered under technology strategy. Then comes user strategy. Now in user strategy, you may want to consider polling a target sample of your audience to help answer some of the following questions. What are they? How familiar are they with the social tools, blogs, web apps and the like? How much are they willing to spend if applicable? Next, how old are the visitors to your site? Again, how technically proficiently are they? Are they technological sound or not? What are the preferences for interacting with your brand? What is their age, race, socioeconomic background, and so on? What is their reading level? What specific are they looking from your site? Who again specifically does your site serve? Will they visit once or repeatedly? These all answers has to be taken care while answering user strategy or while defining user strategy. So in a wholesome digital marketing strategy has to take in care to develop in form of technology, in form of user friendly. Explains building a revenue and profit models. Now how to generate a revenue and profit from the websites. Now, revenues may come from several sources. When we develop a website, we are not doing a free work. In virtual world, nothing is free. The consumer feels that it is free, but actually nothing is free. It is all, in other terms, generated revenue models. Now, revenues may be from several sources. Number one, advertising income. Now, the website which gives the advertising, it is more explained in web-based advertising. If you see the web-based advertising, types of web-based advertising are defined like trick banner ad, banners, audiovisual ads. So, these comes through advertising income. When you open Google or any sites, they give the ad portion. From there you can give your ad, and or a company gives the ad, and this generates the revenue in terms. So this comes under advertising income. Next is sponsorship income. The various sponsorer which have or acquire or ask about the space on the web page, it comes from sponsorship income. Then comes alliance income. Mutually joined two websites or three websites which align together to generate the income, that is alliance income. Membership and subscription income. Many websites are not free. They provide your article, research material on the basis of subscription. Half of the portion or abstract you can see freely, but when you want the detailed contents of that particular article or research material, you have to subscribe through that. This is also one of the type of income which a company who is hosting the website could incur. Then comes profile income. Profile income means a company is specialized to make the profile of the person, like Naukri.com, like Shadi.com. They generate your profile in such a manner that you are demanded on that particular category. So it is the term of revenue were generated in form of profile income. Then comes product and service sales income, like OLX.in, ठीक, सब कुछ बेच दे, और snapdeal.com or flipkart.com or amazon.com. So these are the sites where they sell the product or service and in turn generate the sales income. Then comes transaction commissions and fees. Transaction commission and fees like net banking, all the bankers, whether they charge through credit card, debit card or net banking, has a certain additional charges on the actual value paid. say about actually paid means if you are going to book IRCTC ticket of worth rupees 2000 and you are booking through debit card or credit card facility through SDFC, ICIC or any bank on your own credit card, they will charge certain percentage, say about 6% or 2.5% or certain amount of percent in facilitation of your payment. This comes under transaction commission and fees of this is that type of revenue model. Then market research and information, this is again a separate category where the consumer researches and pays for that research, like ResearchGate. To some extent it is free, but when you demand those like Elsevier's, when you demand the article for that, you have to get a subscription or you have to pay in dollars or pounds to get that particular research article. Then comes referral income. Referral income means on the basis of references you earn certain income. These all things are explained in the e-text. Online execution of different communication tools. How these different communication tools help online executions. So what are these communication tools? They come under promotional mix. How they are diversified in the online execution, this is to be explained. Now let's talk about promotional mix and online execution. About promotional mix and online execution. So first is advertising. Now what is advertising? It is an interactive display ads, pay-per-click search advertising or clubbed together, popularly called as web-based advertising. Then comes selling. Selling means what? Virtual sales staff and chat and affiliate marketing. When you chat with the virtual sales staff, you ask about the product, their specification, and you give the messages. That online chatting, this is selling. Then sales promotion, that is incentives, reward, online loyalty schemes. This promotion through website is called sales promotion. Then personal relationship, how online execution of personal relationship comes? By online editorial, e-zines, newsletters, social networks, links and virals. These are online execution of promotional mix of personal relationship. Then sponsorship, how sponsorship is executed online? By sponsoring an online event site or service. Like now in today's contest, many IPL is coming or hockey league is coming or let's play football is coming. So how many sponsors online event they are catering it? This is called sponsorship on online event site or service. Then direct mail. Direct mail in online execution comes from opting an email using newsletters, e-blast, web responses, etc. Then exhibitions. Exhibitions means in online, what is it? Virtual exhibitions and white paper distribution. This is online execution of exhibition. Virtual exhibition means you are auctioning certain thing or the online lottery system is there. These type of exhibitions are going. Then comes merchandising. Merchandising, how the online execution goes in merchandising? Promotional ad serving on retail sites, personalized recommendations and e-alerts. So this is merchandising. Then comes packaging. Packaging means online execution like virtual tours. Real packaging is displayed online. Virtual tours, you go for any tourism or you want to see how which place I want to go, you click what are the packages provided to that particular place. So these type of packaging, or ultimately you can say that virtual tours defined for online executions. Then last but not the least, word of mouth. How the promotional mix word of mouth is executed online? By viral affiliate marketing, email of a friends, links through social networking sites, online chattings. These are word of mouth tools which is online executed. So online execution of different communication tools as explained in slide 24 has to be visualized and discussed. Now, to compete the market of the virtual world, one should design an attractive website, because if the website is not attractive, it is not providing the various features, you are not going for the digitalization and customization, as you can go for the definitions of digitalization and customization through the e-contents and e-text. There you will know what is digitalization and customization. So how to design an attractive website? So number one, there are C's involved in it. So you can say that it is number one C, creativity, number two, context, number three, content, number four, community, number five, customization, number six, communicative, number seven, connection, and number eight, commerce. Means 8C are catered to design an attractive website. So let's start with number one, creativity. Creativity is the most crucial aspect for digitalization. I mean, how click you are. What is the out of box thinking for the creativity? So that is the very crucial aspect for digitalization. It contains color, appeal, the focus, the designing, everything. Then comes the context. Now, in context, the designing and layout. This is important. Where to give this pop-up, where to select that pop-up, where should be the menu bar, is it should be vertical or it should be horizontal, the scrolling will be top bottom approach or left right approach. This again has to be defined in the context. How to design, how to give the layout. You can say that it is a blueprint type of thing under which we have to fill the colors. Then comes the content. This is the most crucial part which makes the website more attractive and informative. It includes all matter of print, audio and audio visuals like text, videos, pictures, animations, graphics, everything. And content should be grammatically correct. Font could be anything, color could be anything, but spelling and grammar should be perfect in content writing. Then now comes the fourth C called community. Community means user to user communication facilitations. Like you are connected with social networking sites and any site, anything, which community we are catering, which is our target audience, that is important. So community is catered. Then comes fifth C, customization. Now customization, making different users to personalize themselves in a very user friendly manner. Means all the users club together on a single platform, they have to think themselves as in a very user friendly format. Means if I want to suggest anyone to buy a product, just one click and the suggestion goes to the Facebook, just one click and the suggestion goes to the Gmail, just one click and Rediff mail is active. So anything which I am doing, it is so much, the website should be so fluent that any click is creating the customization of the website. So we should design that way. Then comes communication, that is communicative. Two-way communication from site to user and user to website. This is full communication. Means once request is done to buy the product or information about the product, the user clicks on the information, the site responded. User again saw the FAQ, the site responded. This way the website should be designed. Then comes connection. Connection means degree to which the website is linked to other websites. Means on my website which I have designed, how many links are provided for the other website. Suppose I am marketing a product, say pen. So when I am marketing a pen, how many types of companies which sell the ink are linked together? how many types of websites which sell nibs are linked together or refills are linked together. So this is degree to which the website is linked to other websites, whether it is be related products or non-related products. Then comes commerce. Commerce means the last 8C is commerce. Commerce means trade and finance composition in a very user-friendly manner. I want to pay the credit card facility, debit card facility, net banking facility, all facilities should be available as a consumer to be working on the site, and the profits include in it. So all 8C, let's remember 8C: number 1 creativity, number 2 context, number 3 content, number 4 community, number 5 customization, number 6 communicative, number 7 connection, and number 8 commerce. So 8C should be taken care while designing an attractive website. Few points to be considered before stepping into digital world of marketing are so far as this. First, what is the strategy behind technology? What is user strategy? The content strategy and the architecture. Designing an attractive website, as we already have discussed. Then building a revenue and profit model. So earn the profit through websites. Then online execution of different communication tools. So what are the different communication tools? They come under promotion mix. Promotion mix means number 1 advertising, selling, sales promotion, personal relationship, sponsorship, direct mail, exhibition, packaging, word of mouth, and merchandising. So these are where we have to think before going to the digital marketing world. So let's summarize now. The marketing is not just a selling or promoting the products in the real market, but also in virtual market, that is internet world. The virtual market is a digitally connected with whole world, and the digital marketing is the sky under which the target customers are approached with interactive marketing for products and services to promote brands, build performance, and increase the reach by converting the leads into customers to retain them. And hence the digital marketing is a personified by an extensive selection of brand marketing tactics which mainly use the internet as a hub for promotional intermediary in addition to other media vehicles. Thank you. I hope you must have enjoyed this lecture. Thank you.